lights am because I am actually in my dorm room here at the University of Memphis. Today, I'm going to be doing my dorm room tour for you guys because I'm super excited. I've been here for like a month now, so like I kinda have everything to where I want it to be, and I'm pretty happy with it. Y'all can see a little bit in the back. We're going to full detail later, don't worry. But other than that, I'm going to show you guys what I've done with the place. It's kind of an extension of my room at home, but not really. And I'm super excited to show y'all what I've done. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so when you come on in, the first thing you're going to see here is the coffee type of kitchenette type station. And basically, this is it right here, which I honestly kind of love. It's kind of in like the very front of the room, however it's like in one place where it makes sense and everything is good there. So as you can see, I have my mini fridge, which is actually pretty large. I have a microwave, I have my coffee station, so I got my mug there, got some sweetener, some syrup, and then over here I kind of keep all my cups. I have some more that need to be washed. I have more than need to be washed, but I have all of that going on over here. And then above it, I have these two little pictures that I actually got like a week after I moved in. Both are from Michael's, and they were both on sale. And they both came from the same collection that most of my room came from. Let's get that. Yeah, they both came from the same collection the rest of my room did. So give y'all a wider shot. So yeah, it's like right here. Right where you walk in the forefront of the room, and then the next thing you see is my work area, workspace, which I do really love. And so there we go. So we got the desk right there, and this trough is what I'm calling it. Came from home, and I think when I originally bought it, it did come from Michael's as well. That blue star right here came from Michael's. I got that after I moved in. Most of the decoration I'll explain to you, except for this lamp. When I first moved in, still the lighting in here is terrible, so you have to catch the light in a good time. But when it's nighttime, you need a lamp that's going to disperse the light, and that one does that. Here's the pegboard that I got from IKEA and the decoration on it. I was going to use it for more practical things, however, I think I like it with just, you know, having my stuff up there, and it actually looks pretty good and cohesive. My mom would definitely call this desk cluttered, however it's actually less cluttered than a desk at home, and they're roughly the same size, so I think she's very proud. So I should my laptop there, my bullet journal for when I'm bulleting, which is very seldom, but yeah. And so this is that area of the room. And then on the back of my chair, I just used my extra sham for my thingy, and I just put there because they're just this ugly blue, and it's not fun at all. And then next to it, as you can see, I have a trash can, and then I have my backpack for, you know, I had to go to school, so I gotta have one of those. And then let's move on to the bed, which is probably my favorite area. As y'all can see, is everything focused? Kind of. There we go. Everything should be focused now, which is kind of honestly my favorite area right here. And so I'll explain everything to you. Most things you guys have seen in my room tour. However, this I just got, and I think we've had it for some years. I found it, and it's from Mexico. Like when you go on like a cruise or whatever in Mexico, you can buy one of those little shops when you get to the port. I got that there. I brought this macrame / tapestry hanging from home. That was actually from Walmart on sale, so I loved it. All of these things I put in my room tour, not my room tour, my room haul. This actually came from Michael's as well. That used to be at home on my wall. As y'all can see, I like a lot of Michael's stuff. And then we have the bedding, which is really long because it's actually a full-size bedding, and I love it a lot because under here, I mean, it's just not a pretty sight under there, so I prefer to have everything hanging down a little bit, and it kind of just drapes it. And then I love the pattern that's on here. It's a lot of textures and patterns going on, but I think that's what it's supposed to be. I think it's very like, I don't know what I would call it, but I love it. And then moving on to here, I have my little cart that I also got from Michael's. and so that was like $25, so I got it on sale. And so in this little bin is kind of like a throw. I have my keys, student ID, wallet, headphones, everything, Apple Watch chargers in there, and then I have my glasses there. There go a few different pair of my glasses I like to wear. My phone on its phone stand, this little fake flower, oh my gosh, I don't even know my word, but this little flake plant, which I actually like a lot because it looks more real than some of the real plants I have. And then under here, I have this mirror that I was so excited for. However, I can't find a strong enough command hook to put on the wall. I may one day just put a nail to the wall, kidding. And then I have this frame that I still haven't put anything in there yet, and who knows if I ever will. And then down here, I have that throw kind of just hanging out of there for like artistic, decorative reasons. I don't really use it much because it's very thin, so it's kind of like just there, and it's also covering up some extra stuff that I have in this big old bin right here, which I kind of like the contrast between the light gray, dark gray, and then the black. It's very like, whew, it's more masculine than I think anything my room has ever been. And so we have all of that, and then if we focus, here we go, we have my plants right here. This one I've had for like over 2 years now. This one I just got, and it's not doing so well already. I don't have a green thumb whatsoever, so that's kind of sad. And then, Alexa, what's up?
Let's see what's up in the news. But first, who's your go-to news provider?
Alexa, cancel. I love her, I keep her there. And then I have this little shelf for it, which I actually want to spray paint. It was supposed to be on the wall, however, it's not strong enough to stay up there with the command hooks I was using. So it just stays there for now, and I think eventually I'll spray paint. I have like this gold spray paint that I'm excited to put to use. And then that's really the bedding area. Oh, here I have this rug that I did get from Ross. I know I showed y'all that in the video. And what it does, I'll get back a little bit, just anchors the area. So let's make sure everything's focused. There we go. The rug really just like kind of anchors the area, and that's why I choose it for decorative reasons, staging. And so I just love how it does it because it like ties everything in the room together with that. So yeah. And now we can see what's under the bed, which is not much, but I'll show you guys. Oh, let's lift up this cape. So here I just have some baseball hats because I have no idea what to do with them. I have my night clothes drawer and stuff, which I would show you, but it's a hot mess. But I will show you my pants and shorts drawer, which is also a mess. I have really just about all my shorts in here. I have a few pair of pants and chinos from home, just because I may need them some days. There we go. Here's my shorts and pants drawer. And it's kind of a mess, but it works for me. I know where everything is. Let's see, in here, I think it's like my, some shoes in there. And then more shoes down there. It's really all that's there. I have this printer that I've yet to set up because I've heard that the Wi-Fi won't work for it. Let's see, I have some dishes that need to be cleaned. I found my dirty dishes, clean dishes down there. And then that's just it right here. I think that's my roommate's. I need to get it back to him. And so really nothing much down there. I'm actually really good on storage. So I have a room to expand if I really need to. Alright, so now we're going to be looking in the closet, which is right here. On my closet, I keep my mirror on the front because as you can see, it reflects light and it just gives light around here very well. So let's go and see what we have in here. Ooh, better play. So, let's move that back so that light can get in there. There we go. This is my closet. Yes, it's a mess, I know. However, it does work for me, and I have everything I need to in here. Those bottom two drawers, focus. Those bottom two drawers are, imagine, mainly like my food and stuff. That top drawer is kind of like all the resources I may need. Tape, medicine, anything in there. This one has all my hair products, just everything in there. It's all piled into there. And then my shower caddy. I have my ironing board. I have my little vacuum, which is literally the best thing ever. Buy yourself a vacuum. We have carpeted floors, so a vacuum is a must. I have my hanging clothes, which I have quite a few right now. They're all not spread out because that won't work with it. However, it's all my summer stuff, as y'all can see. So I'm waiting a few more weeks because in Memphis, it's hot literally all year round. Not all year round, but it's like October now and it's still 90 degrees outside, so it's really hot. And then up here I have just my nice backpack, my iron, Trader Joe's bag, which just has all my reusable and plastic bags I can use again, a reusable Trader Joe's bag, my oatmeal, because that is like the meal that I eat for breakfast. I love it. Tissue, paper towels. Pro advice, bring your own tissue and bring your own paper towels to college, because the bathrooms won't always be clean, especially in communal, and you're gonna want that. Just like bringing shower shoes, you're gonna want to have that there. And so I have everything I have in here, and then right here I just have all my belts kind of hung up until I find like a better solution for them. So I have a bunch of my like pretty cool belts that I'm excited to wear. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around to the end. I really am very happy with this room. I think it's kind of turned into exactly what I want it to be. There's still a few things I want to add in the future. I think I told y'all that during the video. But other than that, it's kind of like my dream dorm room. I've been waiting for this for so long. So I'm so glad I got to share with you guys today. And other than that, that's it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.